Suffocated by the prolonged restrictions imposed on the movements of people by the government to contain the pandemic, some people are taking matters into their hands and coming out of their homes for a change of scenery. But all of this in the midst of a community spread that is on the rise even as we speak. Such blatant disregard for the law and the welfare of others is surely going to take place for those with weaker immunity at risk. In a bid to curtail such display of bravado and contempt, the police department have its officers on the street checking every four-wheelers and two-wheelers to ensure they have the right documents to be driving around. In order to do this, they set up their checkpoints at different places and at different times, much to the surprise of many drivers who were caught unawares.